Alright, now we want to find the roots. After we verify the existence of the root by using the IVT, now we want to find the roots. So in this chapter, we focus only 3 methods. So first, bisection method, under bracketing method, and also we have Newton-Raphson and also fixed point iteration method. Alright, so Newton and also fixed point iteration method under the open method. So why bisection method called as a bracketing method? Because when we want to apply the bisection method, we need these two value in this interval A, B. Okay, we need this interval if we want to apply the bisection method. But for the Newton-Raphson and also fixed point iteration method, we only need the initial guess. Let's say x naught equal to something. Okay, that's why bisection we call it as the bracketing method, because we need the this interval. But for the upper method, just the initial guess. Okay, so for the first method, we focus on the bisection method. So this is the advantage and also disadvantage of the bisection method. So the advantage, by using the bisection, is always converge. It's always converge. But since the method bracket the roots, the method is guaranteed to converge. And also it is simple and easy to implement. But this advantage is it converge slowly. Maybe when you apply the bisection method, after 5 iterations, after 7 iterations, then you get the answer. That's why the disadvantage is it converge slowly. But the converge are guaranteed, just the slowly compared to the other method. And then it's required 2 good initial estimates. Like I said just now, we have the interval A and also B. Alright. So this is the algorithm for the bisection method. So let's say, so first we set A not equal to A, B not equal to B from this interval given. So A not and also B not. After that, we find C. Okay, to find C, we use this formula. This is the important formula for the bisection method. A plus B divided by 2. Okay, so we find C. So after that, when you multiply FA multiply with FC, and the answer is equal to 0, then you stop the iteration, you stop the calculation, and you just automatically get the solution. X star equal to CI. X star means the roots lah. Okay, but if the answer is negative, then you need to continue, but now A will be maintained, A to A, but B change to C. Okay, alright. But if the multiply FA FC greater than 0, but now A will be C, but B will be maintained. So you repeat lah the iteration until the calculation satisfy the condition. It depends what condition given. Right, okay. Right, so let's try. So the first questions, by using the bisection method to determine the root of the non-linear function on the interval, stop the iteration when the absolute of FCI means the value will be always positive. Okay, this one absolute means always positive, is less than blah blah blah. Alright, okay. So for the bisection method, the first step is you have to construct this table. You have to construct this table. Okay, we have 8 column. With the first column I, AI, B, C, FA, FC, depends on the condition, and last one if FA multiply with the FC. Okay, alright, so this will be our A and this one will be our B. Okay, let's try. So for the first iteration, so we have A 1.4 and B 1.5. Right, so don't forget, if you want to find C, A plus with a B and then divide by 2. So C will be 1.45. Okay, and then substitute the value of FA. A is equal to 1.4. So 1.4 squared minus sine. Alright, okay, I forget to remind. So now, when you substitute here, it will be sine 1.4. Okay, this guys, this is a trigonometric function. So this is the value of x. So x in number. So if your inside here is in number, please change your calculator in radian mode. Okay, please be careful because our x here, this is trigonometric function and our angle in number. Please change your calculator in radian mode. Wait, radian mode. Right, so 1.4 squared minus sine 1.4 minus with 1. So the answer will be negative 0.0254. Okay, so this is your answer. Please give your answer in 4 decimal places. Alright, so FCI 1.45 5 squared minus sine 1.45 minus with 1. So the answer is 0.1098. Okay, so the absolute value of FC, so make it positive. Right, so now look at the condition. The condition, we only need have to stop our iteration if the absolute value is less than 0.005. But since our value is still greater than that, so you have to continue the iteration. Okay, so you have to continue. So now FA multiply with FB, you get negative. This is your FA. FA is negative 0.0254 and FC 0.1098. So it is negative. Okay, now back to the theorem. Let's see. So if your FA multiplied with the FC is negative, then A will be maintained, but B will be equal to C. Alright. So the first iteration, A will be maintained. So A maintained, but B will be equal to C. Like this. Okay. A will be maintained, but B will be equal to C. So now we need to find C. So A 1.4 plus 1.545 divided by 2. So now C is equal to 1.425. So A maintained, so the answer will be maintained. But FC 1.425 squared minus sine 1.425 minus with 1. So the answer is 0.0412. So make it positive, 0.0412. Right, so look at the condition, still we cannot stop. So we continue. So FA multiply with FC, negative. So negative, A will be maintained, but B will become C. Okay, find C, 1.4 plus 1.425 divided by 2. So C become 1.4125. A maintain. A maintain. So FC 1.4125 squared minus sine 1.4125 minus with 1. So 0.0077. So make it positive. Okay, look at the condition. Still we cannot stop, so we have to continue. Negative. Right, so because of negative, A maintain, B will become C. So find C, 1.4 plus 1.4125 divided by 2. So 1.4063. Okay, A maintain. So P 1.4063 squared minus sine 1.4063 minus with 1. Negative 0.1288. So make it positive. So become 0.0088. Okay, back to the condition. So still we cannot stop because the condition are if our answer is less than 0.005. Okay, so we have to continue. But now our FAFC is positive. Okay, now back to the theorem. Let's say if FA multiply with FC positive, then B will be maintained. Okay. Number 4. So B maintained, but A will equal to C. Okay. So find C. 1.4063 plus 1.4125 divided by 2. So 1.4094. Right. So FA just now equal to C. So negative 0.88. For the FC, 1.4094 squared minus sine 1.4094 minus with 1. Right. So the answer is negative 0.1234. Right. So now look at the condition. Before that, make it positive. 2, 3, 4. Okay. Now look at the condition. Already satisfied. Satisfied. Therefore, X, you stop the iteration. Therefore, the answer is X star equal to C at 4 iteration. And the answer is 4094. So this is your answer. Okay. So I have another example. So first of all, you have to make this one equal to 0. So your fx will be equal to 2x minus x naught, or your fx will be equal to x squared minus 2x. It depends on you. Both also can be accepted. So this is your A and also B. So maybe you can try, and the answer is negative 0.7657. This answer. Then you try, okay? Bye.